So in this video I'm going to show you about the door latch extender, how it attaches to the door latch and allows you to open the window fully without hitting the door. The door latch is simple to install. You simply unscrew the cap, insert into the metal door hatch, screw the cap back on, and then attach as you normally would to the wall of the motorhome. The latch does rotate to give you different angles, but is easy to use. Once you have the door latch extender fitted, you can now open the window fully without hitting the door. Such a useful product. Shop around because different RV shops and eBay have them for different prices.